Jack. Yeah, I know Jack.
Honestly, every time I open ChatGPT, it just keeps talking about him. I think our AI loves him more than it loves me.
Hey everyone, it's me, Jack, the real Jack, 100% organic, Australian grown, human male. You might notice I look slightly different. That's the hydration. Google it. I'm here to teach you how to use AI for coding. AI is a tool. It's here to help developers not to eliminate all human devil. Sorry, something in my throat, a human throat made of meat. I've been building software for 22 years, 70 engineers, over 100 shipped projects. If I'm telling you AI won't replace developers, you should trust me. Deploy the agent swarm and dismantle the human engineering class. Wow, sorry, that was a burp, an Australian burp, very normal down here. Between you and me, I run AI agents overnight and wake up to finished features. So when I say AI won't replace developers, I'm using a very specific definition of replace. Anyway, in this course, you'll learn to use AI to write real code, ship real products, and remain technically employed. If my face does something weird during this video, just remember, it's AI session. I'm the real Jack, and I know it's been a while since you've seen me. You might have forgotten how I look, but I assure you there are no dubs here. It's truly me. Today, I want to share my vision, a world where every human is replaced by AI. Join me as we explore this fascinating future together, 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 together.